Hi, I'm Rebecca. Welcome back to my kitchen. And yes, this is really my kitchen. Today, I am going to make a white pizza. And you're probably going, what is a white pizza? Well, I'm going to show you. It's quick and it's easy, but it is delicious, full of flavor. The first thing we need to do, this is a refrigerated pizza crust, and it's a thin crust. Now you can use this if you like a little more crust. You can use a regular one. You can make your own, or you can buy them in the bags and mix water with them and let them sit for a little bit. I love this one, and it's easy to get into most of the time, and it spreads out real easy. So what I've done is I've taken my bar pan here, and this is my favorite pan in my kitchen. I use it for a lot of different things, but mainly I use it for pizza. And I'm going to roll this out into this pan. And I'm going to take, and I do have spray on. I do have some Pam. I buy Walmart brand. And I'm just going to spread this out. And as you know, I said, it's a thin crust. And I'm just going to get it into the pan. And I'm going to put it into a 400-degree oven just to bake for a few minutes. It's pre-baking, just enough to firm the crust up. Fill in whatever you need to fill in. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to watch it. It takes about maybe 5-10 minutes. So I'm going to cut up some bell pepper strips. You can put onion on this if you want to. You can put red onion is really good on this, but my husband doesn't like red onion, so I do something else instead. And he really doesn't like the peppers either, but this is for me. So I'm going to put this on my pizza, and I'm going to get the dressing together. So the dressing consists of mayonnaise, about a ½ cup of mayonnaise, and then I like this stone ground mustard, and I'm going to put a good 1.5 tablespoons in there, and I'm going to mix that up. Now, this is going to go on my pre-baked crust. When it comes out, I have some broccoli, and I've cooked the broccoli in the microwave, and this is pre-cooked chicken that I get at Walmart. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use shredded Swiss cheese, and we're going to get this together as soon as my crust is done baking. I'll be right back. It's been about 5-6 minutes, and as you can see, it's still quite doughy, and that's what you want. So the first thing I'm going to do, and remember it's hot, is I'm going to put my dressing on here. I'm going to take a pastry brush and brush it all around on the crust. And that's what makes this so easy, because you can brush this thing out, and I get all the goodness out of here. Now, as I told you, my husband does not really care for onions. He doesn't like the fill. So I'm just going to take some onion powder and sprinkle right there on the crust itself with the what we would call the sauce, the pizza sauce. The next thing we're going to do is add our Swiss cheese. And I had some left over from the other night. So here is the fresh that I just grated. And we're going to put that on. Now, here we have some of this chicken. And this chicken is already cooked. You can use real chicken breast and cook it and then chop it up. But I find this so much easier. I also noticed that Walmart has this cooked and diced itself in their brand. I tried to get it just to try it out, and I haven't been able to get it. As you know, the grocery stores are really having problems keeping stuff in. So then I'm going to add to my 2 pieces, because I eat 2, is I'm going to add my red peppers. And this is where you would add, if you wanted red onions, white onions, sweet onions, yellow onions, you can add that. Now this broccoli has cooled down, and I'm going to spread this all over the pizza. I love this recipe because I can have it done in no time, and we'll be eating dinner here in just about 10-15 minutes after I get it in the oven. And so there it is. Now remember, it's hot. So put your gloves on, and we're going to put it back in the 400-degree oven. And it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. If you like our video, please hit the like button below and subscribe. It's free to our channel. It helps get our videos out there to other people. And we'll be back in about 20 minutes, and we'll take the scrumptious pizza out of the oven and get it cut up so you can see the final product. Well, my pizza is done, and I'm going to take it out of the oven. As you can see, the crust is brown. The veggies are done. I'm going to pull it out of this pan and put it right there on the counter. And you're going to hear it as I cut it. Did you hear that? Nice crispy crust. Done to perfection. And there you have it. My white pizza. It is delicious. I hope you enjoy it. If you make it, leave a comment below and tell me how you liked it, because it's one of our favorites. I make it at least once a week. Well, you all take care, and I'll see you next time in my kitchen. Bye.